Hi everyone, here is our first vlog, your HUSA officers 2012 to 2013. Right now it's 4 a.m. and we mistaken the time for it being 3 p.m. when the other members are supposed to come help us make food. So we're just chilling and waiting until it's 3 p.m. for them to come help us. So yeah.
Hi guys. Well yeah, it's 4 a.m. Chantanti.
Louie's an early bird, so she's already done with her makeup and everything. Yeah.
Oh hey, what's up guys? So who's ready for open mic? I am kind of a little nervous. Yeah, it will be fun. I don't know what to expect. Hopefully we have a lot of turnout. Yeah.
She was wide awake. Look at that.
Yeah, kind of. Just do my thing. Hey.
Is this your address?
No, I don't think it's road.
I think the only one that looks sleepy right now is just Pa.
Really?
And Mai. Nui and
I yawned a couple of times.
Nui and Sue's like wide awake and everybody else is like tired.
We have the Asian eye. We look tired no matter what. Hi everyone. So we've been waiting here since 4 a.m. and now it's 4 p.m. And open mic is tomorrow. Are you guys down?
Yes.
Yes, we're down.
Are you guys down?
Yes,
I'll be like director.
What? No, this is test run because look
Yeah.
at
Get some potato
Are you guys gonna
all the powder?
do that and hard to see if it works too? Potato flour? Yeah.
No, don't blow. I don't see.
Yeah, it's
Remember that. No, we have American cup. That's okay. You need American cup to feed it the right. Might as well do that in here. See that logo?
Oh yeah, that logo is it? That's it. Yeah, you make it blue?
My hands smell like garlic.
as long as it's not pepper, it's good.
Actually, it doesn't smell.
Garlic is actually good for your feet. You know what? If you like.
Want a plate?
Yeah.
I think these will work.
It's so blurry.
Yeah. It looks like Nui has like 4 arms. It's all about the open mic. It's tomorrow.
Good.
Zhang, you have a few words for us?
No. I don't have any words.
What do you think about tomorrow?
I think it's going to be a good chance tomorrow.
Okay.
Hopefully there's a good chance.
Yes. I'm hecka excited. I'm hecka excited. Hiya.
A day I can't sit there. Sometimes 3 times. It feels bad like that.
That's how you make the teardrops for Nava.
I'm just crying.
At the store, one that big is more expensive than $1. Yeah, like the cup this big. The store is like almost $2.
At the store is 150.
Is it?
Like around like 100. Okay. Nava.
But I don't know, ask Ching. Ching doesn't get paid? Yeah, you don't get federal work study?